NUITEQ is excited to introduce a new feature that simplifies transitioning to our interactive whiteboard, Symphony. Educators can now effortlessly import their existing whiteboard files directly into Symphony, ensuring a smooth integration of their content. Here's how it works. Open the Symphony dashboard and select Import Whiteboard File. Choose the file you wish to upload from your computer. A loading indicator will appear in the top right corner of your screen. Once the upload is complete, tap the thumbnail to open your file in the Symphony whiteboard. This feature streamlines your workflow, whether you're delivering lessons on an interactive flat panel, facilitating group collaboration on student devices, or assigning content for assessment. Discover how NUITEQ Chorus Symphony can transform your teaching today.